I'm Joey.
And I'm Sydney.
We are one half of the D.A.B.
That stands for Digital Art at Baden.
Today we're going to show you how to use Google Slides and Chrome Canvas.
Google Slides is great for making digital art, and specifically we'll show you how to make a collage.
A collage is an art form taking multiple images that have similar characteristics
and putting them together in a PowerPoint or Google Slide.
So open your Chromebooks and search Google Slides.
Now you are done with your collage. Now we can move on to Chrome Canvas. In Chrome Canvas, you pick the coloring tool that you would like and the color you would like, and draw whatever you like. It could be something like we did.
And you're gonna, if you haven't used it before, you're gonna see a blank space. So we've already used it before. So we're gonna do new drawing, and this is all the colors. You can pick whatever one you want, or you can go to your custom, and then like if you like pastel colors, you can go to that and you get pastel colors, and you can choose how dark or how light you want it to be. So that is the pen. This is also the size and the opacity of it. So the size, you can make it big or you can make it small or medium. And the pencil is a little smaller and it's like scratchy. It's not flat. And then there's a marker. It's bigger. If you make it smaller or transparent a little, looks cool, like a highlighter. There's chalk also. It's like the pencil but bigger. The eraser, obviously, because if you don't like your stuff, you can erase it. There's also redo buttons and undo buttons, so redo and undo. And then you can do different layers. So that was the first layer. And you can add a background color, so like purple. It looks really nice with green. You can hide it, or you can move it. So like that. You can make it bigger like this by dragging it by the corner. You can make taller like this. And you can also add different layers like that. And I can hide this and like write something like that. And then you can unhide the layer and it looks like that. And you can trash them, but their first layer, you can't trash it, so if you don't want to see it, you can just hide the layer. You can also save it, share it, or send feedback. To save it, you hit that. And then it will save it as a PNG. You can open it. And it's purple because I hid the layer, so I'm going to delete that. That way we don't have anything. And then you can press the home button. Actually, hold on. You can press the home button. You can choose an image. So we have me. We can open that, and that's what I look like. You can't erase it, but you can like draw over it and stuff. So that's cool. Delete it, rename it, save it, share it. You can duplicate it, so just add the second one. You can delete them. That's just a blank canvas that we had. And up here, you can refresh it if you don't have the refresh button right here. And this is another one that we made. It looks like a beach, and we did it with chalk, I think. And then there's this one, which is like a lot of different colors just scribbled around like that. And hiding it. And that is it for Chrome Canvas.
Now it's your turn to go out and make art on Google Slides and Chrome Canvas. That's it for this time. I'm Sydney.
And I'm Joey. See you next time.
Bye.
Bye. Characteristics. Okay. A collage is an art.
That's going in the bloopers.
A collage is an art.
Joey!
So many times. A collage is an art form taking multiple images that have similar characteristics.
You said something similar. Okay, Joey.
No, I'm doing it.
Similar
Similar characteristics.
Hey,
Characteristics.
he's got it. Just give him a chance.
Ethan, why did you have to go behind camera like that? Okay. A collage